Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video about Google Sheets, the spreadsheet application for Google's Office suite. And this video we're going to be looking at clearing formatting in a cell. So I've got a cell selected with a name Mark. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to change its color to red. I'm going to underline it, do a strike through, and do all kinds of things to give the text in the cell a different style than the other cells around it. But if I decide I don't want to keep that, I need to clear all the formatting, and I can do that with one button. I just go Format, go all the way down to the bottom item called Clear Formatting, click it, and it's back to being exactly the same style as the other cells in the spreadsheet. This quick video from OS College has been about clearing formatting in a cell in Google Sheets. Be sure to click subscribe and like to receive notifications of future videos. You can watch more videos about Google Sheets, other applications that are part of the Google's Office suite, as well as other applications on the OS College YouTube channel. Also, there are more videos, articles, and other information about various applications on oscollege.com, OS College's website. Also, check us out on the OS College Facebook page. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos that cover a particular aspect of an application. Thank you for watching.